Hello everyone, this is Maya and it's day 3 of Learn English with me. As you know, I am here to practice my English and I have something to share with you. I manifested these books last year and I start reading this one book, Manifest, and I will finish this book reading by the end of January. Now, I have something to tell you. I created vision board last year and I put this book's image on my vision board. Expect that books I didn't work on my other goals, so I decided this year I will work on that goals. So I didn't change my vision board because I want to work on my last year goals because that truly I want to do. I forgot that. Let's talk about our English. So I want to tell you that start reading because reading help you to understand sentence structure and improve your vocabulary and improve your reading skill. But you have to read loud. You have to read loud and you have to be most consistent. I started reading and not now. I love reading books, so I read anything whatever I get, and I love reading because that improve our knowledge and our skills, and it's so important thing in English that help us to improve our English. And reading has a lot of benefits, so start reading. And in this video I'm not gonna cut any part because this video really I don't know what I am trying to say, but I'm not gonna cut this any part. Okay, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.